No, here I stand before the man passed. Because once you say the man goes, there's no cameraman, you are not the only cameraman. I'm not the only one cameraman, I need to know cameraman in the past. You should look at harassing person like this. I don't know what I'm doing. Is that way from what I'm doing?
The lawyers are not complete.
Wait.
Okay. Go ahead. Where is Nnamdi? Yes.
Today the court adjourned to 2030. Are you okay with that decision?
Yes, we're okay because we were able to avoid the situation that if it had happened in court today, it would have been a deviation from Section 36 of the Constitution, which guaranteed every Nigerian the right to fair trial. The prosecution was forcing a situation on the court today that trial should continue or should proceed today. But our position was this, which comports with the law, that we have not had any opportunity. We have made this very clear. It is not about having access to our client. We do have access, but our access is monitored, hampered to the point that we are unable to discuss with him within that zone of confidentiality that is guaranteed between a lawyer and his client, and that enhances the defense we shall prepare to properly defend him against charges that carry the death penalty. So our position comports with the law, with Section 36 of the Constitution, that unless fair hearing can be guaranteed, no Nigerian can be subjected to any trial. You can check it out. We are not making it up.
Okay, sir, lastly, I'm trying to tell you, the court will decide one way or another. Let's presume, are you ready for any eventualities if it doesn't go the way you want, or the way you prayed for the court to go?
Well, the attitude of a very good defense counsel is to cross the bridge when it gets to it. So we're not going to speculate. We're not going to preempt the court. We trust that the court will do the right thing when we come back by 28th May. If it doesn't, then we cross that bridge.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Fortunately, he didn't give a ruling, or she didn't give a ruling. I think they are referred to here, whatever. So let us wait on the 20th. If she makes a ruling, one way or the other, wherever they stand, then we can take the battle from there.
For some people are saying that yes, political solution could be a way out of this situation. What do you think about this?
I will not comment on that. Whatever I'm involved in that is very serious underground, I will not comment on that. I support them in what they are doing. If there are things we are also doing some other places, we will continue doing it. But I can tell you by the grace of God, Nnamdi will not stay in this prison in the next 2 or 3 months. Or else I'm not part of this country. I like that. I can tell you that by His grace.
We appreciate it. Thank God.
Thank you very much.
It's going on almost to 10 years. That we're still on the issue of giving him right to fair hearing. And I must salute the courage displayed by his lawyers in court today, because he wanted to force them into hearing and say you're going to rule on the issue of right to fair hearing. So when you rule on that, what happens to the trial that you have commenced? So it's very painful, and I see this is very unfair. And at this juncture, I will continue to call on the president to exercise his constitutional power and then issue knowledge through the Attorney General so that we can bring this thing to an end and open the door for reconciliation and peace building in the Southeast.
Thank you. Nnamdi, Maxwell, you want something?